Hello friends, welcome to Electronic Circuit Hub. So today we are going to understand about the Proteus 8 simulations and demonstration. So I took this circuit from the sample circuit from the Proteus, and I just run the simulation and I will show you the behavior of this circuit, the charging profile of a capacitor by using battery. Okay, how capacitor charge. Okay, so you can see, if you see this circuit, this is B1, that is 12 volt battery, and this is connected to the bulb BL1, which is also 12 volt. And here you can see you have one capacitor C1. The value for this capacitor C1 is 0.1 microfarad. So how this circuit works, this, if you see here, this circuit shows a capacitor charging up via a bulb. Initially the current is large and the bulb shine brightly, but as the capacitor charges up, the power dissipation across it increases, and so the power dissipation across the bulb drops, resulting a smaller lighter output. Eventually the capacitor is fully charged, no current flows, and the bulb is off. So this is the behavior of this circuit. Initially, since this capacitor is not charged, so it is not accumulated any charge across it, so it's behave like a short circuit. And if it is short circuit, the initial current flowing through this bulb is higher, and the power dissipation across this BL1 is higher. And once this capacitor is fully charged or start charging, the power dissipation across this C1 is higher, and if it is fully charged, no current flowing through the capacitor, hence this bulb is not shining. Okay, so let us run the simulation and show you the behavior. To run the simulation, you have to click this button. This is the run the simulation button, and you can see, as soon as I run the simulation, this valve shines more and this capacitor is charging. And you can see here 1 2 3 4 5 plus and maybe 5 minus. So let me run the simulation again. So as soon as I run the simulation, you can observe this bulb BL1, this shines more, and then after a period of time, the current flowing through this BL1 is very less. So let me run the simulation. Initially you can see it shine more, then reduces, and this capacitor is keep on charging. Once this capacitor is fully charged, you can see there is no current flowing through the bulb, and now this bulb is not shining. Okay, so hope you understand the behavior of this capacitor at time period t equals to 0, when there is no charge accumulated at this capacitor. So initially it draws more current to charge it. So once it draws more current, the current flowing through this bulb which is connected in the series is higher, so this bulb is shine more. As soon as this capacitor is fully charged, now it has accumulated more charge across it, so there is no charging current flowing through it. If the charging current is 0, this bulb is not shining. Okay, so hope you understand the behavior or charging profile of capacitor by using bulb. If you have any question, feel free to ask me in comment section. Thanks for watching this video.